Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another tutorial of Wikitections. Today is the last day of the year 2020 and we are entering to another year which is 2021. Hope this year will bring happiness, peace and health, wealth in our life, and may God remove COVID-19 in this year, inshallah. Let's hope for the betterment. So today our topic is conditions, statements. So let's take a string name equals to Khalid, int a equals to 8. I'm initializing here another int equals to b 5 and c equals to 9, right? So I initialize some variable over on the top as name a b c. So let's start with what are statements. Statements are to execute conditions block of code. Types. What are the types of condition? Or if, else, if and switch. These are some statements that run or execute condition or block of code. So let's discuss about our first statement, if. Here is also a syntax of if. Inside this block I will run my code, okay. Inside this block I will execute or I will write my logic or condition. If the condition returns true, it will jump to this code, right, and execute inside code. If the condition false, it will exit. So here I initialize some variable which is 8. So let me say 8 is greater than 9. That is wrong. So 8 is greater than c, so it will return. So let me say system dot out dot println a is not a is greater than c. Okay, so c, value of c, right here I set value of a. Okay, let me remove this also. I don't want. If the condition is true, the system print this line of code. If not, so we will say else. What else condition says? If condition or if statement, if a statement returns false, execute this code. And what if statement says? What if a statement says? If a statement says if a statement returns true, return this code. So if statement and else condition, right? Let me show you first what it display. Okay, so what it prints, system.out.print is says 8 is less than C value 9. Let me show you what else if says. If this condition return false, if this condition return false before executing else, let's try this. Let me say B is less than C, right? Else if a statement return true, execute this code. So I will say that this here, and let me remove this A, and let me remove this B, and let me run it. Statements are used in code multiple time, and these are easy to understand and easy to execute. Let me show you what it returns. B is less than C. Okay, so maybe you will have some surrounding voice of fire because of New Year night. So sorry for interruption. So right switch A. So we are finding the value of A, or compare the value of A, right? A has a value of 8, right? So we have to say case is the keyword, and we have to write integer because we are define a variable integer over here. So I have to write 9, and then if my condition matches, it will print value of A equals to 9, right? And then break this condition, means end this condition. Let me copy these cases. Okay, and default is our case, so it will return, let me remove this, it will return system.out is equals to 0. Okay, so let me run this code and let's see what will it return. So okay, what it returns, the value of A is 8 because it's belong to this. Let me hide this code, then this will print this line of code. Okay, to show you what default returns. Okay, so what it returns, the value of A is equal to 0 because the value of A does not matches this condition, does not matches this condition, and even does not matches this condition. So the default condition is equal to A is equal to 0. So that's it for today. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Also like my Facebook page. I will share the link of Facebook page under description. Happy New Year. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Allah Hafiz.